Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, today we are going to start our first assessment syllabus for grade 2 maths. Okay, here this is your new countdown book 2 third edition, and today we will do the first topic of this book is numbers. In this topic you can see that we have some revision work which you have already done in grade 1. In this topic you find 4 operations like subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. You know that you have done in your grade you have done these exercises or these operations in your grade 1. So we will just take the review of these operations. Okay, look at the first topic, that name is numbers, and what is the question of this topic is look at the numbers in crunchers. Here are some crunchers. What numbers come out at the other end? One is done for you. Achha. What they are saying that they have given you the sum operations in crunchers. You will have to solve these crunchers, these solutions, and then you find the number. Okay, the first one is done for you. Look at, first open your book and look at the option A. In this option you have 8 plus 9. This is the sign of plus. You know what will you have to do in this? Means you have to add 8 into 9 and you will find the answer of it. After addition you will have to minus from the answer 2 and then you will find the answer which is 15. Okay, let's start the option C for your clearance. As I have told you that in this page we have to revise all the operations. Now first we are going to solve option B or solution B for you. I will do it in a simple way, so it will helpful to revise all these operations for you. Okay, look at here that we have 2 grids. In this grids we have to solve these. Like we have first, what we have to do, we have to subtract 4 from 12. As you know that how to subtract the material, like 1 or 2 12 minus 4. ओके हमें क्या करना है यहाँ पे, वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 4 फ्रॉम 12 इन अ वेरी सिंपल वे. आप आप जानते हैं कि हम किस तरह से सब्ट्रैक्शन करते हैं. तो फर्स्ट वी विल ड्रॉ द 12 लाइन्स. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. Okay, how many numbers we have to cut? We have to cut 4 numbers. Then 1 2 3 4. We have cut 4 lines. How many lines are left? Count it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, the answer is 8. First mention 8 here. Okay, after subtraction we find answer 8. Now for the next operation what we have to do, we have to divide these numbers. Like we have to divide 8 from 2. You know that how to divide the numbers. Make a grid. 8 and 2. You know the table of 2. तो 2 की टेबल में 8 कब आता है? 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6 and 2 4 is 8. Now your division operation is done. And what is the answer of this? This answer is 4. Right here. For easy way, write the answer in a circle. Okay, you have got answer 4. After that we have to, this is the sign of addition. What we have to do, we have to add 4 into 14, and this is very easy for you. You know that how to add numbers. Plus we have to add 4 into 4. Lines, draw the lines. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Count it together. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8. What is the answer of this? 8, and there is no number, so we will write here 1 as it is. So what the answer we have got? The answer of this is 18.